Okay, video started. This is the Gusty Wind drive.
Myself, Sumit and Suresh. We are back from Las Vegas through Death Valley to Los Angeles. We are stuck in the Gusty Wind.
We are struggling. Hope we'll all survive this Gusty Wind. So far, Dinesh drives.
We are at the bad stage
safe.
now.
See.
Oh!
Cover the left side. There is the front view. Now it is getting cleared out. It's
I'm
flowing
feeling very
like
bad
water.
when driving. It's all windy.
Windy and slippery. It looks like
Oh
yeah.
shit!
So we
It's
are.
really
See the struggle
strange.
we are doing.
I'm doing my best to make you guys
Comfortable.
survive.
Yeah. And there are guys who have turned on the parking light. The same thing we can do.
Yeah,
Just
let me
in case.
also turn on the parking light.
We did that. We are making life simpler for behind vehicles.
This is an adventurous situation which we are facing now.
And we are loving it.
Yes. We always love adventures.
See, look at all those winds. There's dust. It appears like those are flowing like water. And it's so gusty.
And we are also hearing some noises from our back seat.
Yeah.
Our manager guy. Slow, slow, slow. Wow.
Wow. This is awesome experience.
We reached the Basin Road. It's 180 miles down to reach Los Angeles. I think it's getting cleared now.
Yeah, we are safe. Oh, not yet. Not yet.
See? No car is there in the front, so I think I can drive a little fast now.
Yeah. So here now we end the
Ends
video.
our video.